Hello guys, I'm doing a KWA mp9 unboxing video. So, wait a minute. So you can see that. Yeah, here we go. Now, I got a KWA mp9 for $215. So, let's get the knife out. Now, I don't have a GoPro yet, but I might be getting one if I want, so I can go to a game and then record it and show you all. So, if I do that, please make sure to like it. So, okay, here we go. Oh, really helpful here. There we go. That all is in here. Oh, that's handy. It came with a, what's it called? Kind of light that may help us. Wait a minute. That's a little bit better. Okay. We got a, it's called a sling. That's it. Okay, so let's move the box out of here. KWA. So let's turn it around. Maybe a little. There we go. So, ooh, snazzy, huh? Yeah. Now we have the gun. Pretty nice. Up. Came with a little folding stock. All I have to do is pull it, snaps in place. It's comfortable. My shoulder was a little tight because I just got back from the gym. That's nice. Side rail, charging handle, dual safety, whatever this thing is. It's nice. Let's see what else comes in the box. Came with a KWA MPR. Wonder if it's loaded with gas. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, it has gas and I smell it. Yeah. I think. I don't want to put it. Okay. There, come with the mag. Whatever this thing is. Lube. Pop-up handlebar. Nothing else. That's all. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.